Welcome to J-Dream YouTube channel. Today we take you to one of Sri Lanka's most breathtaking and legendary waterfalls, Ravana Falls, located in the scenic town of Ella. Ravana Falls stands at an elevation of 1,050 meters, 3,445 feet above sea level, with a total height of 25 meters, 82 feet. It is part of a tributary of the Karindi Oya, creating a stunning cascade that attracts visitors from around the world. But beyond its beauty, this waterfall holds deep historical and mythological significance. Named after King Ravana, a key figure in the Ramayana epic, it is believed that he kidnapped Princess Sita, the wife of Lord Rama, and hid her in a cave behind this waterfall, now known as Ravana Ella Cave. According to legend, Ravana took Sita as an act of revenge after Rama and his brother Lakshmana cut off the nose of his sister. At that time, the cave was surrounded by dense forests, providing the perfect hiding place. It is also believed that Sita bathed in a pool formed by the cascading water, adding to the mystique of this location. Another fascinating tale suggests that Ravana played the Ravana Hatha, an ancient string instrument, near these falls, with its haunting melodies echoing through the mountains. The Ravana Ella Cave itself lies at an elevation of 1,370 meters, 4,490 feet above sea level, resting on the foundation of a cliff. Located 11 kilometers, which is 7 miles from Bandrawela, it is now a popular tourist attraction. Archaeological excavations in the cave have uncovered evidence of human habitation dating back 25,000 years, making this site not just legendary but also historically significant. Ravana Falls is a place where history, mythology, and nature come together to create something truly magical. If you love exploring Sri Lanka's hidden gems and legendary sites, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to J-Dream YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more amazing travel destinations.